Oh, this is going to be a video about the XDrill, the drill of the future. The XDrill was recently launched on Kickstarter and I was one of the first to back it. I backed it because I'm always looking for ways to improve my work, so I thought I should buy this drill. This drill has so many features that you cannot compare it to any other drill on the market right now. The first thing that caught my eye on this drill was the touchscreen. And on the XDrill's touchscreen, you are capable of doing a lot of stuff, like the level, where you can look at the screen while drilling to make sure that you are level. And with a double tap on the screen, you can customize the level angle. So you can drill or screw the same way repeatedly, and then save the angle on the drill if you found a really good method. The touchscreen is also where you adjust the torque setting. Instead of having a clutch setting that normal drills use, it is all controlled on the touchscreen. And if you don't know how much torque you want to use, you just go to the smart torque setting, where they already have everything set up for you. If you want to drill into metal, you just press metal on the screen and you're good to go. You can also customize everything. If you think you know exactly what torque you want to use for a specific material. This is one of those things I see myself using a lot. I will definitely be trying a lot of settings out and then saving them on the drill. The laser that the XDrill has is one of those things where I thought immediately it was a gimmicky feature. But I haven't tried it yet, so maybe it will surprise me. The way that they advertise it is that you don't need a tape measure. Just point the laser to the wall and it will show you your horizontal measurement. And you have another laser that shoots down to the ground for your vertical measurement. I'm really excited to see if this is something I will use. It could be really useful or it could be useless if you have to look at the screen all the time. Depth control is one of the features that I really like on the XDrill. You point the laser straight forward and then you set how many inches or centimeters you want to drill. And the drill stops when you drill to the right depth. This is something no other drill can do. And I see this being really useful on the job site. The app that the XDrill has looks really good. It has a save option, find your tool with Wi-Fi, lock drill if stolen, set up user profiles, usage data showing runtime, torque, and speed, keep track of how many times you drop the drill. All of the features are awesome, and I don't know anything else I would need on the app for my drill. I think this drill has the potential to be really big. And if Roblox listens to the consumers of the drill, they will see what works and what doesn't. The Kickstarter has already got its funding goal, so I'm already excited to get my hands on it next year. There are 53 days left before the Kickstarter ends, so if you like all of the features about the XDrill, you can buy it now on Kickstarters. But do a bit of research yourself before you buy it. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. I will be making a new video soon called All of the Things You Need to Know About the XDrill. So make sure to leave a like and a subscribe. If you want to see even more, follow me on Instagram. Tool Learning Wood Turning.